You signed up for zero balance banking, but are you aware of the unexpected deductions? We are exposing the top 5 Airtel Payment Bank hidden charges with approximate figures and giving you 5 guaranteed ways to stop them immediately. Stay focused. This information will save you money. Airtel Payments Bank operates on a transparent model, but fees can arise when limits are crossed or physical services are used. These charges are often easy to miss until they show up on your statement. Understanding these potential Airtel Payment Bank hidden charges is your defense. Here are 5 secrets and how to beat them. 1. Cash deposit fees. Unlike traditional banks, depositing large amounts of cash at banking points may incur a small fee, often around 0.5% of the transaction value after a free limit. The trick? Keep large deposits digital via UPI or net banking whenever possible. Second is the physical card replacement fee. Losing your card means paying for a new one, typically around Rs 250. The simple trick is to primarily use the free virtual card within the Airtel Thanks App and treat the physical card as an emergency-only backup. Third, look out for excessive transaction fees at banking points. Using the retailer network for cash withdrawals beyond the free limit can cost you around 0.65% of the transaction amount. The trick to reduce this? Optimize your withdrawals and primarily use the money digitally. Fourth, non-Airtel mobile recharge fees. While recharges for your Airtel number are often incentivized, recharging other network numbers might incur a convenience fee of around Rs1 or Rs2. The trick here is to consolidate your recharges and stick to the incentivized Airtel ecosystem. Fifth, the most overlooked fee, physical statement charges. Requesting a hard copy of your bank statement or transaction summary may cost around Rs $50 per copy. The trick? Always use the digital statements available for free in the Airtel Thanks app. By using these 5 smart tricks, you can bypass these common Airtel Payment Bank hidden charges. Hit like and subscribe for more expert money management tips.